हाय फ्रेंड्स, गुड इवनिंग। आज अपन लोग डिस्कस करेंगे कि व्हाट इज द फार्माकोलॉजी। फार्माकोलॉजी क्या है? व्हाट इज द फार्माकोलॉजी? व्हाट इज द फार्माकोलॉजी एंड देयर ब्रांच। टुडे आई विल डिस्कस about it. First of all, what is pharmacology? Pharmacology is the study of interaction of drug with living organism. It also include history, source, psychochemical property, dosage form, method of administration, absorption, distribution, mechanism of action, biotransformation, exertion, clinic use, and adverse effect of the drug. Means that we study about that in source, history of the drugs, history of the drugs, history of the drug, source of the drug, physicochemical physicochemical property of drug, physicochemical property of drugs, उसके डोजेज फॉर्म, their dosage forms, method of administration, how to take it in human being, absorption, how to absorb in intestine or our body system, drug distribution, about the drug distribution of drugs in our mechanism of body. What is the mechanism of action of drugs? Means that when we take the any medicine to purpose of cure the disease, then how action, how to action in our body, that is called the mechanism of action. And third is biotransformation. Biotransformation means that the body transfer the medicine on exact part of the exact point of problems, that is the biotransformation. Exertion and clinical use and adverse effect of the drug. The and what is the drug? You want to know that what is the drug? Drug are the chemical substance which are used to cure the any disease in human being or animals. Drugs are chemical alter function of living organism. Drugs are generally given for diagnosis of disease, prevention of disease, or control or cure of disease, that is called the drugs. Clinical pharmacology. What is clinical pharmacology? Clinical pharmacology, it evaluates the pharmacology action of drug, prepare route of administration, and safe dosage range in human by clinical trials. Clinical pharmacology means when we any drugs are prepared in laboratory, after that the step is clinical trials or clinical pharmacology. This is how to save for all human being after dosage the drugs. And third is what is the pharmacy? Pharmacy is the branch of science of identification, selection, preservation, standardization, compounding, and dispensing of medical substance, that is called the pharmacy. Pharmacy is the branch of science. It include identification of drugs, selection of drug, preservation of drug, standardization of drug, and compounding and dispensing of medical substance, that is medicine etc. And what is the branch of what types of branch of pharmacology? Pharmacology include many types of branch. First, pharmacodynamics. Pharmacodynamics means the study of biological therapeutic effect of drug. And second is pharmacokinetics, a study of the absorption of drugs, distribution of drug, metabolism of drug, and exertion of drug, that is ADME, that is known as the pharmacokinetics. Third is pharmacotherapeutic. Pharmacotherapeutic deals with the proper selection of drug to control any disease, that is the pharmacotherapeutics. It include prevention and treatment of disease. Toxicology. In the toxicology, we study the toxicity of the drug, means that drug is poison or create many side effect etc. Chemotherapy. Chemotherapy means the drug microorganism parasite and nuclear cell and multiplying in living organism. Pharmacopoeia. Pharmacopoeia, an official code containing a selected list of established drug and medical preparation with description of their physical property and test of their identity, purity and potency. Example: Indian Pharmacopoeia, British Pharmacopoeia, United States Pharmacopoeia, etc. For more information, please subscribe my YouTube channel. To Thank you.